Good day everyone. So our topic is dehumidifying. So our problem we have a given of initial dBT T1 is equals to 55 Celsius and our initial RH1 equals 80%. So our final RH is RH2 is equals to 50%. So our dBT is constant. So our solution is at 25 Celsius and 80% RH. Matutas ito kasi physicometric chart. Ako na itong W1 na 0.016 kg water per kilogram air. So our enthalpy H1 is equals to 55 kilojoules per kilogram air. At 25 Celsius and 50% RH. But the final W2, kita yung mo sa psychometric chart, we have a 0.010 kg water per kilogram of air. So our final enthalpy we have H2 45 kg per kilogram per air. Kilojoules per kilogram per air. So our delta W is equals to W1 minus W2. We have 0.016 at yung po ng atong ang given minus 0.010. We have equals 0.006 kilogram per water. Kilogram water per kilogram air. So our Q is H1 minus H2, our Q is 55 minus 45 equals 10 kilojoules per kilogram air. So our problem 2, we have a given of initial DDP T1. Atong T1 is 30 Celsius and our initial RH is 60% and our final DDP is we have 22 Celsius and our final humidity is 90%. So at itong solution is at 30 Celsius and 60% of RH, we have the P1 na 0.080 kg water per kilogram air. And our enthalpy is 75 kilojoules per kilogram air. And our 22 Celsius and 90% RH, we have a final W2 na humidity ratio na 0.014 kg water per kilogram air. So our final enthalpy is 45 kg per kilogram air. So our delta W have this W1 minus W2 plus 0.018 minus 0.014, we have 0.004 kg water per kilogram air. So our delta H is was H1 minus H2, we have delta H 75 minus 48 equals 27 kg per kilogram air.